Yeah. Check it. I'm a lost soul walking round in your alleyways. Upon the thought I'm thinking not to the brighter days, but in my conscience I've been finding different passageways. Led me down the path, I picked the patch and Peter passed away. Since then I picked up the pen and put down the sword. Chose an act that George couldn't overcome, the bushes scorched. I've long had it, this dogmatic, not automatic, lead off tactics. But when it comes to spitting fire, I let y'all have it. Flow is going hard, but coming smooth like the bomb graphics. Laughing, or just a giggle at you non-factors. And simple something's getting nothing, need to fall backwards. Don't sugarcoat it, I got salt jacket. Hold the super dope, Triller wrote lyrics, all addicts come and listen for that fixing, yo. It be salt acid, etched, burned, sketched in your brains. Talking raw habits, gassing, burn the turbulence to any surgeon, and be surging in and serving limbs from the rappers I be murdering, yo. On the mic and MC at 17 and only striving to be different like I got 7 genes. Looked around and I found 7 beans. I grew a stalk and at the top me I found it's where I leans. Yo, making music not for trappers or the fiends, but for artists and the MCs, bringing back what rapping means. Oh, I can't believe the kid is starting that. My heart and raps be speaking truth, and we all know the fakes just be dodging facts. So just keep on writing, poop, you got a trap, and you can make your music too, but do not call it rap. Swag.